Good day. In this video, we'll try to understand what is accounting equation. The accounting equation is considered to be the foundation of the double entry accounting system. It shows that a company's total assets are equal to the sum of the company's liability and shareholders' equity. By the easy way, you can say that stuff the business owns is equal to the stuff business owes. In other words, we can say that the accounting equation is equation between stuff we have on our hands and the source of this stuff. As we mentioned, asset is what you own. It could be cash, receivable, inventory, property, plant and equipment. Capital is owner's claim to the business. It could be invested capital, retained earnings. Liability is what you owe. It could be trade payables, loans, wage payables, and etc. Let's see all these examples. In example, this young man starts a lemonade business. He has 10 ATM and he invested all of his money to his business. This first transaction will be like debit cash 10 ATM and credit invested capital 10 ATM. Now we have our accounting equation 10 equal 10. It means that we have 10 ATM on our hands and source of this 10 ATM in our capital. Then he bought lemon with all of his money. Transaction will be like debit inventory 10 ATM, credit cash 10 ATM. There will be some reclass in assets, but accounting equation will be the same, 10 equal to 10. It means we have 10 ATM worth inventory on our hands and source of this inventory is our capital. Due to the fact that he did not have enough money to buy the lemonade machine, he borrowed 20 ATM from in France. Transaction will be like debit cash 20 ATM and credit loan 20 ATM. Accounting equation will be 30 equals 30. It means we have 10 ATM worth inventory and 20 ATM cash on our hands. The source of these assets is our capital and loan taken in 20 ATM. After all bookkeeping, with that 20 ATM, he bought a lemonade machine. Transaction will be like debit equipment and credit cash. There will be some reclass assets, but accounting equation will be the same, 30 equals 30. On the first day of the business, till afternoon, he sold all lemonade which was made with his 10 ATM inventory for 15 ATM and made 5 ATM profit. Transaction will be like credit inventory 10 ATM, credit returning earnings 5 and debit cash 15. After some change in our accounting equation, it will be 35 equal to 35. On the second day of the business, our businessman thought that if he will work full day, he can earn more money, but unfortunately, he has not enough money to purchase more lemon that he can sell whole day. So he agreed with the grocer that half of money he will pay tomorrow morning. Transaction will be like credit cash 15 ATM, debit inventory 15, credit trade payable 15 and debit inventory 15. It means that half of this inventory he bought for the cash and half of this inventory he bought for the credit. After some change in our accounting equation, it will be 50 equals to 50. On the second day of the business, young man again was very lucky. He sold all lemonade which was made with his 30 ASEAN inventory for 45 ASEAN and made 15 ASEAN profit. But one of his friends asked him for the lemonade but told him that he has not any money with him. He will pay 1 ASEAN tomorrow morning. Transactions will be like credit inventory 30 ASEAN, credit returned earnings 15 ASEAN, debit cash 44 ASEAN, and debit receivable 1 ASEAN. After change in accounting equation, it will be 65 equals to 65. As the next and the last day, he paid his debt to the grocery in 15 ASEAN and received his money from his friend. Transaction will be like trade payable, debit 15 ASEAN, credit cash 15 ASEAN. Another transactions will be like credit receivable 1 ASEAN, debit cash 1 ASEAN. After change in accounting equation, it will be 50 equals to 50. Let's last time take a look. What does it mean? It means that you have cash 30 ASEAN and equipment worth 20 ASEAN on your hand. A source of these assets is 10 ASEAN invested capital, 20 ASEAN profit you made before, and 20 ASEAN loan. After all, our young man is happy for good business, and I believe that he will be much more happy if you will follow and subscribe.